Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to activate Find My Device on Android phone. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on here, settings. Just like so. On getting to your phone setting, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you navigate to security right here. So simply click on that. It takes you right here. And then at this point here, you have Find My Device location is off. What you need to do right here is to make sure you click on it. Just like so. It takes you right here. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do, where you see Find My Device, next thing you need to do is to simply click on it. It takes you right here. At this point here, what you need to do is to make sure you turn on this particular button right here. It's as simple as that. Having turned on the button, you have these options right here. So right here, find your offline devices is off. Turn on your device's location. When location is off, you can locate this device. Then Find My Device app, you can also get the app. For you to activate it fully, what you need to do is to simply enable your location to be on. So click on that and make sure you turn it on. And then use this location. Then simply go back. And then location is loading. And with that, you have activated full Find My Device on Android phone. With this, you can easily track your phone if your phone got lost or you misplaced your phone with the help of Find My Device. What you need to do is to get another phone, log in with your Gmail account, username and password, and then apply Find My Device. Google is going to scan and tell you the exact area where your phone is. From there, you can easily track your phone and get your phone back from where you misplaced it or where the phone gets stolen. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to activate Find My Device on Android phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.